Hey kids, have you ever heard the saying, "Don't wait for perfect, just start now"? Well, let me tell you a story about a magical race called the Race to Rainbow's End. Once upon a time, in a land where rainbows danced across the sky, lived a group of adventurous kids. They heard that at the end of the rainbow, there was a treasure that would make their wildest dreams come true. But here's the catch. The rainbow only appeared for a short time, and there was no telling when it would show up next. The kids decided to form teams to race to the rainbow's end. Some kids wanted to wait for the perfect moment when the weather was just right and they had all the best gear. They thought they needed the perfect conditions to succeed. Others, like Emma and Jack, thought differently. They grabbed what they had and set off right away. As Emma and Jack ran, they faced all sorts of challenges: muddy puddles, rocky paths, and even a group of mischievous squirrels. But they kept going, laughing and helping each other along the way. Meanwhile, the kids who waited for the perfect moment were still waiting and waiting. Finally, Emma and Jack reached the end of the rainbow. They found the treasure and realized it wasn't gold or jewels, but something even more precious. It was a book filled with adventures and memories they made along the way. They learned that the real treasure was the journey itself. So kids, remember, don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Take the first opportunity that comes your way and make it amazing. You never know what treasures you'll find along the journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.